out as a champion? Who's going to make a name for himself? Who's going to put on a show for all you lovely people? Okay, folks, let's show the drivers how much we want this. Are you ready for Firecracker the final? Come on, let's really tell them. Are you ready for Firecracker the final? Sharon, we're ready. Let's go. This is it. It's time to crumble.
I'll give you a check on that in just a moment, folks. But a number of drivers put in a few laps down there now. The exhaust falling off the 146 car, but just a little prelude to the fireworks coming up later on, folks. Alan Trickett's fireworks display on the back straight. Absolutely brilliant. Get your cameras on that one. Meanwhile, here they come again. 589 is in the lead, and he's just lapping the field. 589, Simon Smith, has put a lap on the rest of the field, but who's in second place? The Trickett, second and third, 247 and 146. Oh! And a big crash down there on the exit to turn 4. I think that was... What on earth was that thing? 589, Simon Smith leads. Nearly rolled it there. 146. Alan Trickett up in second place now. Oh, still a lap behind Chris. But Chris is stuck up on turn 4. So we might have a new second. 589 leads by a mile. 507 putting some laps in now. The lap scorers just picking them. They're working on about 5 different laps here. 247, Chris Trickett is finished. 146. Alan Trickett is second. We're halfway there. 589, Simon Smith is in the lead, and he's at least 2 laps ahead of Alan Trickett. Chris Trickett decided enough is enough, and he's going to turn it around. are firing in there. Chris Trickett's looking for Simon Smith. Alan Trickett, Phil Smith are trying to do each other all over again. They're well-built cars there. Which one will get up and go first? So, who's coming through? Well, there you go. 641 does a lap. That's Ricky Williams. And 589 Simon Smith does another lap. 5 laps to go for 589 Simon Smith. 5 laps to go for 589. Now this could be interesting. As they go down the back straight, Alan Trickett is chasing Philip Smith. And he's got it wrong. Oh, and fired through. Got it right. That was Steven Leonard from Belgium getting stuck into Goldfinger. And now Philip Smith piles in and attacks the corner, trying to damage the steering. That's the cunning tactic. 589 Simon Smith gets the signal. Oh, and they're doing head-ons now. Trickett Smith. Simon Smith doesn't want to know. 641 Ricky Williams still running. 641 in the sauna, moving up the places now. Look at Trickett and Philip Smith now. They're backing off for a big one here. And here comes Trickett on Smith. And there they go, down the back straight. 146 and 549. Alan Trickett, Phil Smith, giving us a tremendous warm-up to the Destruction Derby later on. And still they go in with a head-on. Sparks are flying. 589 Simon Smith Arena. 641 Ricky Williams in the sauna. 589 Simon Smith is winning the race. 507 Danny Brown does another lap. 146 Alan Trickett decides on a new strategy. 549 Philip Smith turns it around. He's loving it. The reigning Arena Essex champion having fun with one of the legends of Arena, Alan Trickett. 589 Simon Smith leads. Trickett pushing Ben Smith out of the way. With maturity comes round, and Philip Smith too. What a show these two boys have put on. Absolutely brilliant. Don't bet against the preparing their cars for the DD either. We're looking for Simon Smith. We've lost him. Where is Simon Smith? He hasn't come round for a while. He was about 2.5 miles ahead. Is that him? Yeah, there he is. 589 Simon Smith with 2 laps to go. 641 Ricky Williams does another. 247 Chris Trickett does another. 146 Alan Trickett. Now what's he going to do? Looking for Philip Smith. No sign of Philip Smith. So who's next on Alan Trickett's list? 146 has put on a show today in the Goldfinger limo. Absolutely amazing. Last lap for 589 Simon Smith coming around now. Last lap. Oh! Now then, I don't know, was that Alan Trickett finding Phil Smith? Just piled in flat out there on turn 4. 589 Simon Smith, here he comes first, round turn 4. Can he get through the DD on turn 4? 589 Simon Smith looking for the checkered flag this time. Can he get through? We're looking for the Gladiator. 589. And there he is! There he is! Simon Smith wins! Firecracker 19! What a